Hi, this is Nigel Gregory with Blue Griffin Handyman. Today we're going to show you how to pick a brick and stone. We have an array of stuff here in front of you. We've got pavers. Bricks come with pavers, and this is a denser type of brick that takes on water better than most other bricks. And then there's the typical house building bricks that you can get, and there's all different sizes and types and colors that you can pick and choose from, and there's all different types of stone as well, and you really want to pick the color of stone or brick that you want to do, and then think about the purpose of do you want to maintain it, do you not want to maintain it. For instance, this rock is limestone and make a good face for a house. However, it gets a kind of a mildewy look to it over time. So if you don't feel like power washing this, every year or 5 years, then you might want to go with something like a moss rock or a synthetic brick. This is a moss rock, and it has its own problems and complications. It develops a moss on the surface of it, and so if you like that look, then that might work for you. This is a fire brick, and you can build a kitchen oven or an outdoor fireplace with it, and that's you can find most bricks and most brick suppliers in town. Your hardware store and even garden stores will carry an array of bricks and stones that you can use for various projects, whether it's a retaining wall or a house or, like I said, a fireplace in the backyard. And that's how to buy brick and stone. Thanks.